Hello and welcome to the Harvest Stitch, part 18 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For this square, you will need the basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5.5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 24. For row 1, single crochet into the second chain from hook and into each chain across the row. Row 2, chain 2 and turn. After the turn, double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 2 and the next stitch after that. For the repeat of this row, you will skip the next stitch, then place a puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch into the stitch after the skipped stitch. For the puff stitch, you will yarn over and insert your hook, then yarn over and pull up a loop, and repeat this until you have 7 loops on the hook. Once you have 7 loops, yarn over again and pull through 6 of these loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Chain 1, and then repeat the puff stitch into the same stitch as the first one. After your puff stitch, chain 1 puff stitch, skip the next stitch, and then place a double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And repeat this pattern down the row. Skip a stitch, puff stitch, chain 1 puff stitch, skip a stitch, double crochet, double crochet. Make sure to end the row with 2 double crochets. For row 3, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 2 and into the stitch after that. Into the chain 1 space that is in between your 2 puff stitches, you will again work a puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch. After completing the puff stitch, chain 1 puff stitch, place a double crochet into the top of the previous double crochets. So again, 2 double crochets. Repeat this down the row. Work into each chain 1 space from the previous row. So you will work a puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch, and then 2 double crochets into the top of the previous 2 double crochets. For this square, you will repeat row 3 until your piece measures almost 7 inches. Once you get as close to 7 inches as you can, it is time for the final row. Chain 1 and turn. Now, single crochet down the row. After the final row, it is time for the border, so chain 1 and turn. Into the corner, place 3 single crochets. Along the side, you will place 25 evenly spaced single crochets. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. I like to mark the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pin.